Okay, guys, so we have another problem from quantum mechanics, guys. This type of problem is quite repetitive, so you may expect such problem. Conceptually, this problem is very good. See, a particle is in the ground state of an infinite square potential given by V of x is equals to 0 and infinity. So you can see it will look like this. In between minus a to a, it is 0 and it is infinite otherwise. So this is the potential given to you. The probability to find the particle between the interval minus a by 4 to plus a by 2. So this is 0, a by 2 is this, and minus a by 4 is like here. You can, sorry, here. Because this is 0, so we're going on the left side, so it will increase from here. So before we can solve this problem, we have to understand that this is the case of a symmetric infinite potential well. This is different from the asymmetric infinite potential well. So here I am trying to tell you a little bit about the theory briefly. So Vx is equals to infinity and Vx in this regime and in this regime, and it is 0 in between minus a by 2. Here the length of this box has been taken to be a, but in the given problem you can see the length is given to be 2a. That's a small difference is there, but that will not matter much. You can just replace, and the solutions are given. Now we are interested in the solution in between this minus a by 2 and plus a by 2. So here is a symmetric potential well. So we'll get two cases. We'll get one solution for the even symmetry. Even symmetry means psi of minus x is equals to psi x. One solution we'll get for odd symmetry. Psi of minus x is equals to minus psi x. Right? And you see, for the even symmetry, you are getting this wave function, normalized wave function, root over 2 by a is the width cos n pi x, and n starts from 1, 3, 5, and so on. And for the odd symmetry, we are getting root over 2 by a sin n pi x. So n is equals to 1 is the ground state, n equals to 2 is the first excited state, n equals to 3 is the second excited state, n equals to 4 is the third excited state, and it will go on like this. So here a particle is in the ground state. So here you see the ground state will be n equals to 1. So the cost function should be taken into consideration. Okay. So you have to find out the probability. You know the formula of probability. The formula of probability is integration over psi square dx. So let me just write it for you. The probability to find the particle between minus a by 4 and plus a by 2 is, okay, so integration from minus a by 4 to plus a by 2 psi star dx. So root over 2 by width, here width is 2a, so we are writing 2 by 2a, and root over 2 by 2a, because psi star into psi is cos n pi x by a. So n equals to 1, pi x by a is the width, here width is 2a. Okay, so it is appearing two times. So just write two times. I'm just breaking it just so that you can understand it very clearly. Otherwise, I could have written this square. Okay, so 2 by 2 is 1 by a root over, so whole square 1 by a minus a by 4 to plus a by 2. This one is giving you cos square into pi x upon 2a into dx. So we can just multiply with 2 and we can just divide by 2. And it will produce 1 by 2a. So it is giving you minus a by 4 to plus a by 2. 2 cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x. So cos 2 pi x by 2a, so cos pi x by a. So this will be the integration now. So this is equals to 1 upon 2a into dx integration x, and for cos it is sine pi x by a divided by pi by a, so that becomes a by pi. Okay, and the limit needs to be put between minus a by 4 to plus a by 2. Okay, And if you put the limits, what will you get? A by 1 by 2a. So a by 2 minus minus plus a by 4 plus, if you take a by pi common, once you are putting sine x equals to a by 2, the sine pi by 2 is 1, and again minus minus plus sine pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. So this will be the case. So 1 upon 2a, a by 2 means 2a by 4 plus a by 4 is 3a by 4 plus a by, if you take root 2 common, so root 2 pi, pi is outside, okay? So root 2 plus 1, okay? So ultimately what are you getting? Ultimately, if you just 3 by 8, a gets cancelled and another here also a get cancelled. 1 upon 4 pi, uh, 2, if you just multiply root 2, okay? So 2 plus root 2 in this way. So you just multiplied root 2 on numerator and denominator and you got this result. And I hope it is matching with some results. You can see it is matching with 3 by 8 plus, so A के साथ match हो रहा है ना, A. So option A is the correct option for this question. I hope all of you have understood this solution very well. You can let me know if you have any question, confusion regarding this solution in the comment section. So guys, before ending this video, let me just tell you guys, you can visit my profile and you can follow me on unacademy plus. This is my profile on unacademy. You can have a look at all my courses by visiting this URL unacademy.com/physics hub. You will get the detailed courses: mathematical physics, classical mechanics, electromagnetic theory, almost all the 9 units you will get. And you can utilize our referral code Physics Hub PHYSI6HUB to get the maximum benefits while taking the plus subscription. Plus subscription has a lot of benefits. You get daily live classes, part-length, full-length tests, assignments, proper structured course, the whole syllabus you get to cover, and many other things. This kind of fee structures are available. You can go for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or 24-month subscription. If you apply our referral code Physics Hub PHYSI6HUB, Unacademy will give you the maximum benefits. Okay. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And all the necessary links, Telegram group links, WhatsApp group links are given in the description section. You can just join them from there. This is for this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.